Temperature protection of compressor discharge. Malfunction conditions. When the compressor discharge temperature, T5, is more than 115 degrees Celsius for 10 seconds, the compressor will stop and restart till T5 is less than 90 degrees Celsius. The failure may be caused by refrigerant leakage, wiring mistake, faulty discharge temperature sensor, and faulty outdoor PCB. Troubleshooting is shown in figure. Check whether the compressor discharge temperature is higher than 115 degrees Celsius. If the temperature is higher than 115 degrees Celsius, check whether the refrigerant is leaking. Stop leaking and add the refrigerant. If the temperature is lower than 115 degrees Celsius, check whether the connection is correct between compressor discharge temperature sensor and PCB according to wiring diagrams. Correct the wiring connection. Measure the resistance value of compressor discharge temperature sensor. If the value is abnormal, replace the compressor discharge temperature sensor. If the value is normal, replace outdoor main PCB. If error still exists, replace high pressure valve assembly.